Hey, thank you for watching. I have today a PCV valve replacement for a Chrysler Hemi, and there's your part number right there. So first thing is to remove the engine cover. So your Hemi may look, well, probably does look different than this. This is a 2005, so it has the cables that go to opposing cylinders on either side. So the later models just have the ignition coils and no wires going across. So just ignore that for the purposes of this video. So your PCV valve is actually right there, and let's see if it'll come out. It's in there. So I'm going to use my channel locks, but I'll put a paper towel in there. So I mean, I don't guess that matters because I'm going to replace it, but we'll do it anyway. So it should turn in a clockwise direction. There we go. Let's see if it'll. Nope. Oh, there we go. Got it out. That thing looks pretty dirty, doesn't it? So I guess one way to check these things is if they rattle or not, which this one does, but I'm still going to replace it because it's part of the 60,000 mile service, and this car, it's actually got about 62,000 miles on it, but so I'm a little overdue, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it anyway. Okay, so let's get our new part opened up here. So being a genuine Mopar part, that looks exactly the same as the one that came out, and you can hear that it has movement there. You can actually see, let's see if I can show you. Yeah, you can actually see that. There's that piece, see that? Right here on the, there's a little hole there, that's where that valve actually is. You can see it in there. Yeah, so on the top of this, there's these little detents on there. I don't know if you call those detents, or I don't know what you call those, but at least on there, there's detents for those notches to fit in. So we'll just drop it in, and it'll just go in the same way as opposite as of removal. It should set down in there. Yeah. Boy, that's tight. I tell you what I'm gonna do. Let me get that back out. There. So I got a little bit of oil on there, but I think I'm going to try to wet this O-ring a little bit. And this is not, this is not part of the oil that circulates through the engine, so it's not that big of a deal if it's not brand new oil. And then there's an O-ring down here on the bottom part too. So I can smear some on that. Okay, let's see if it'll turn. go. So when you do that last eighth of a turn, that actually pulls the valve down in where it'll seat all the way. So you just kind of push it down in there as far as you can, and then that last eighth of a turn will pull it down. So that is pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.